The Samsung Galaxy A36, set to launch in March 2025, is poised to build on the success of its predecessor, the Galaxy A35, with several significant upgrades. One of the key improvements is the front-facing camera, which transitions from a 13MP sensor to a 12MP sensor. Despite the slight reduction in megapixels, this change is expected to enhance selfie quality with advanced imaging capabilities. Another notable enhancement is the introduction of 45W fast charging, a major leap from the A35's 25W, allowing users to recharge their devices more quickly and efficiently. The Galaxy A36 also boasts a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals for an immersive viewing experience. With these updates, the Galaxy A36 positions itself as an attractive option for those seeking a feature-rich smartphone that balances performance, design, and affordability.